This is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today we are discussing my Redbubble order from Black Friday. Finally arrived. This is my holiday gift to me. So, I decided to go ahead and buy a bunch of stuff at 50% off because I wanted it for my office. Some of it is going to be going up where my students can see it, but most of it I'm framing and putting where I can see it because it makes me happy as I do my teaching or my studying or whatever. Okay, with the Redbubble order came this weird mermaid sticker. Maybe it's a perk. I don't know. Anyway, so I have had stuff in my cart for a long time, and I was like, it's 50% off. I'm getting it. So, I did not buy the posters because I'm like, those were way more expensive. So I bought the 5x7 print cards of the different things that I wanted. So, we're going to start with this one. These are quotes from season 2 of Shadowhunters. These are all Malik quotes with the picture of them agreeing that they could work things out at the end of season 2. But it has a lot of different quotes here from all the series, season 2. Let's see, here we have, okay, let's play. This, us, it's not going away. We always find our way back to each other. Then I met you until you came along. It's supposed to bring you luck and protection. So this one is going in a frame. Sit on my desk and I can go, oh, there's all the quotes. Again, this is a Malik quote from season 2. The only thing I will say is they're very small, so I'm going to put them close on my desk where I can see it. This is one of my favorites. I don't know why. I just like it because they're so comfortable and they're having fun. But this is from the photo booth, which we never even see in the movie. We just see the pictures from. This is all about 55 episodes, 34 songs, 6 hugs, 3 seasons, 2 breakups, the rundown. And I like this one because I liked the quote even more than the picture, to be honest. So it's like, I don't know who wrote the quote, but it says, I like you because of all the million things you never knew you were doing. I'm like, that is a pretty good reason to like someone. No. Okay. And this is the wedding one. So it has, I don't know who made this, but it has clips from all the seasons. And then the center clip is the wedding of Malik. And the other one below is the non-official wedding of Malik, when all the world is falling apart and he has to go to hell. Okay. There we go. So that is my first batch. These are my postcards. Again, I went all out because I'm like, I'm only ordering from them once this year. So I might as well get all the postcards I want. They're only like $1 a weight, so I did. Again, I just found this really funny. I don't know what's with my sense of humor, but yeah, that was funny. Okay, I do not drink alcohol, so I know this sounds really weird, but I liked this one. Drink cocktails, wear black, draw runes, fight demons. I'm like, I don't drink cocktails. Maybe we can switch it to drink boba. I might just cross it out and put boba. This is from, I do not like most Korean dramas, and I certainly do not like most Korean BL dramas. No offense to people who do, you do you. But one of my favorite Korean dramas and Korean BL dramas is called Color Rush. And I love the scene where the one character pulls out all the colors on this chart. I'm like, I like that scene. And this was a postcard of that. This one I also liked. It's a reminder, because sometimes I feel like I'm kind of the world's mother-in-law and I'm trying to fix everything, and I'm like, I was just talking to a friend today, I'm like, I cannot fix everything. As much as I want to fix everything, it is not possible for me to do this, nor is it really my job to fix certain things. which is hard for me, but I'm learning. I'm working on processing this for my internal growth, but it's a work in progress. So anyway, there will always be a war, a mission, a problem to solve. If you fail to grant time for the things you care about, you'll forget why you're even fighting at all. I'm like, yeah. So, let's see here. This one I liked just because I thought it was an interesting juxtaposition. This is an Alec Lightweight portrait. Again, I like this Alec Lightweight portrait. I wish they didn't have the red arrows. That's the only thing I'm not really fond of in this picture. Okay. And this again, I just thought it was funny. It's a Malik one where they're wrestling. I'm like, that is hilarious. So anyway, and this again, I just liked. It seems peaceful. I wish we didn't have the person's name who did the picture right here. I mean, no offense to them, but I'm like, trademark. You can put it on the back for Pete's sake. But anyway, okay. And let's see. I got this one just because I really like the quote. I'm not saying that everyone deserves it, because I'm like, there are some people I'm like, they do not deserve a nice love story because they would be miserable to live around. Maybe I'm too honest and logical, but I'm like, really, they really don't. But I like this from the Love, Simon movie that I watched here a while back, so I got this for my whatever. Okay, this was the last batch. I'm also having mugs come. The mugs are of the photo booth. I'm getting a mug in. And then I also am getting a mug of like the darkness. And then Alec Lightwood is there and Malik is there, and there Malik's hands have the flaming smoke, and Alec has the bow and arrow. I'm like, oh, that is cool. So I did order those mugs, and they're coming here in a few days. But anyway, they haven't arrived yet. I had to decide. I'm like, I cannot get five mugs from Redbubble. As much as I would like to increase my collection, I'm like, no, I have to move here in a while, and I cannot take all those mugs with me, and I'm not leaving them behind. So we all have weird quirks. Mine is I'm like, I do not leave my coffee mugs I like behind. No. I still have been carrying around my rabbit one all over Asia. I'm like, it is coming with me. It might take up kilograms, but it is coming. So anyway, that's one reason I didn't get the posters. I was like, I'll get cards. They're lighter. They travel better. This is one by a person also. I think they did the other Malik ones too, but these came into the batch for some reason. But this is from season 2. I just really like this print. So it has the Chinese lanterns, the Amori charm, the lock, the post photo booth, yeah. So I like that. And this one too. I just really like that. This is from season 1 of Shadowhunters, all the Malik quotes. This I just was like, oh, this is a cool picture. Yeah, I don't know. Fight, battles, arrows, smoke. I don't know. It just kind of was like, okay. Imagine when I was a child and I would say, tell me the story of a naughty guy. I was a weird 4-year-old, but still I'm like, they had juxtaposition. You must right the wrongs. Again, I'm like, was I the Merle's mother-in-law even then? I don't know. Okay. And then this one I got too. It has Alec Lightwood, Isabel, and Magnus. They will go to hell and back. They really did. So I'm like, yeah, they did. So anyway, but that is my Redbubble order. I am very hushu and very happy here in Hindi. And now I must go get coffee before I start teaching again in 12 minutes. Check it at the round table. I will drop links in the description if you want to go check out the stuff on Redbubble. You certainly can. I'm just basically going to drop the links for the artists. You can go through them individually, have a bunch of different products, not just of Shadowhunters and Malik, but all sorts of things. I just happen to be autistic and mildly obsessive about my interests, so I got all Malik except for one and the Color Rush one. Check it at the round table. Bye!